discover one of the greatest inventors of all time through his life, unknown aspects, and world-changing inventions. Nikola Tesla is regarded as one of the most important inventors and scientists in world history. Thanks to his visionary ability to foresee future technologies, he was responsible for some of the greatest breakthroughs of the 20th century. In particular, the inventions he developed in the field of electromagnetism have ensured that he is still remembered today as a genius. From radio and remote control to wireless electricity and MRI imaging systems, countless ideas emerged from Tesla's mind and went on to shape modern technology. So, who was Nikola Tesla? Which inventions changed the world? And what little-known facts surround his life? Here is the life and lesser-known truths of the extraordinary scientist Nikola Tesla, whose struggle-filled journey has also inspired films. Nikola Tesla's childhood began in 1856 in what is now Croatia, then within the borders of the Austro-Hungarian Empire. Born into a family of Serbian origin, Tesla's father was a priest of the Eastern Orthodox Church, while his mother was a creative homemaker who developed small mechanical inventions at home, such as egg beaters and sewing tools. It is often said that the foundation of Tesla's curiosity and inventiveness was largely shaped by the creative time he spent with his mother. The fact that he built his own water wheel at the age of just 6 is one of the earliest examples demonstrating the advanced level of his intelligence and ingenuity. As the fourth of 5 siblings, Nikola Tesla experienced a deep psychological shock when his older brother died after falling from a horse. Witnessing this tragic accident caused him to suffer from feelings of guilt and introversion for a long time, and he remained under the influence of this event for years. This loss was one of the most significant events shaping Tesla's personality, who never married and preferred to live a life away from the public eye throughout his lifetime. Nikola Tesla's educational life began in his primary school years with a curriculum focused mainly on arithmetic and religious studies. From an early age, Tesla dreamed of becoming an engineer. While helping his mother with various repair tasks at home, he also demonstrated outstanding academic success at school and graduated in a short time. His father wanted him to become a priest. However, after suffering from a severe bout of cholera, Tesla persuaded his father and enrolled at the Austrian Polytechnic School in Graz. There, he began studying mechanical and electrical engineering. Although he was successful in his early years, his innovative ideas eventually put him at odds with his professors, and he left the school without graduating. Sometime later, Tesla continued his education in mechanical engineering at the University of Prague, where he was once again a brilliant student. However, following his father's death, he abandoned his studies. Nevertheless, the knowledge and experience Tesla gained during his student years laid the foundation for the groundbreaking inventions he would later develop. Even though Nikola Tesla was unable to complete his education in the way he desired, his professional experiences paved the way for his genius to flourish. In 1881, Tesla moved to Budapest, where he began working as a technical draftsman at a telegraph company. By quickly resolving the company's technical problems, he rose to the position of chief electrician. During this period, he worked on mechanisms and amplifiers designed to strengthen electronic signals. Drawing attention with his creativity, Tesla moved to France in 1882 and began working as an equipment designer at the Continental Edison Company, which was affiliated with Thomas Edison. He contributed to the development of incandescent lighting facilities planned for Paris. During this time, he focused on direct current systems and dynamo motors, developing different versions of these motors and providing solutions to many of the company's technical challenges. Following these experiences in Europe, Nikola Tesla emigrated to the United States in 1884 and started working for another Edison-owned electric company in New York. He was tasked with improving and redesigning current generators. However, the innovative ideas he soon introduced would bring him into direct conflict with Edison, igniting the great rivalry known as the War of the Currents. Thomas Edison, known for inventing the light bulb and for establishing electrical distribution centers, was regarded as one of the most important inventors of his time. However, Edison's direct current systems caused major problems in electrical transmission. After meeting Nikola Tesla and being impressed by his brilliant ideas, Edison allowed him to work on alternating current. Tesla developed the alternating current system, which enabled electricity to be transmitted over much longer distances, and he improved inefficient motors and generators. Despite all these contributions, he was not paid by Edison. His ideas were belittled and even mocked. Thus began the Tesla-Edison rivalry that went down in history as the War of the Currents. During this period, Tesla left Edison's company and began seeking funding to pursue his own projects. With the support of American businessmen, Tesla focused on laboratory work and technical constructions while continuing his research on alternating current. Thanks to the electrical devices and systems he developed during this time, he went beyond merely competing with Edison's products. By founding the Tesla Light Company, he continued on his own path and soon became the holder of more than 100 patents in the United States alone. However, with the outbreak of World War I, he lost his investors and many of his projects were left unfinished. Around the same time, a mysterious fire that broke out in the laboratory he had established in Colorado destroyed a large portion of Tesla's work. Even though many of Nikola Tesla's projects could not be completed due to misfortune, he continued to produce and work tirelessly until his death in 1943. From neon lamps and radio-controlled devices to alternating current systems and wireless energy transmission, he was responsible for countless inventions. In total, Tesla holds more than 300 patents related to his designs and technological infrastructure. These patents form the foundation not only of modern electricity, but also of many technologies we use today. Despite the difficulties he faced throughout his life, Nikola Tesla went down in history as one of the founding figures behind the most important technological advancements serving the common good of humanity. The Tesla coil is one of the most important inventions that made the wireless transmission of electrical power possible. Developed by Nikola Tesla in 1891, this apparatus was used to generate high-frequency and high-voltage electrical currents. Tesla coils also played a major role in the development of radio antennas, the foundations of X-ray devices, and modern electrical engineering research. Still used today for educational, demonstration, and research purposes, the Tesla coil is one of the inventions that proves how far-reaching Tesla's vision truly was. The alternating current motor, regarded as Tesla's first and most important invention, was a revolutionary development in the history of electricity. Thanks to this technology, the practical use of alternating current became possible, and the significant energy losses that occurred in electricity distributed from power plant centers were prevented. The AC motors developed by Tesla still form the foundation of electrical systems in use today and are considered one of the indispensable building blocks of modern technology. Using the Tesla coils he developed, Tesla built a magnifying transmitter. With this apparatus, he succeeded in transmitting electrical current without being connected to any power source. These experiments laid the foundations of the wireless internet technology we use today. Tesla's visionary approach demonstrated to the world that the idea of wireless energy transmission could one day become a reality. Nikola Tesla improved piston engines to make them more efficient in order to provide greater power for automobiles. During this work, he invented the Tesla turbine, which enables fluids to move with minimal resistance and is still referenced in the field of engineering today. The Tesla turbine introduced a different perspective to the motor technology of its time and made significant contributions to the development of alternative energy systems. Although X-ray technology was invented by Wilhelm Röntgen, Nikola Tesla also made significant contributions in this field. He conducted various experiments to make images clearer and more practical, thereby contributing to the development of medical imaging systems. Tesla's work on X-rays is considered among the steps that strengthened the foundations of today's MRI and modern imaging technologies. Nikola Tesla succeeded in remotely controlling a miniature boat using radio signals. This experiment is considered one of the first remote control applications in history and forms the foundation of modern drone technology. Tesla's invention also paved the way for many innovations, ranging from military technologies to the electronic devices we use in our daily lives today. Nikola Tesla succeeded in remotely controlling a miniature boat using radio signals. This experiment is considered one of the first remote control applications in history and forms the foundation of modern drone technology. Tesla's invention also paved the way for many innovations, ranging from military technologies to the electronic devices we use in our daily lives today.